Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. In my never-ending attempts at organizing, I decided to hang up some tools that have long wooden or plastic handles on them, like brooms, mops, etc. And I kind of like the idea of these devices. It's like an S hook or it doesn't really have a specific name to them. They call them mop, broom, holder, organizer, S-type wall. So if you want to do some Googling, you could do that. I just got four to start out with. They're actually nicer than what I thought they were going to be. They're steel, and this is not rubber, obviously, it's plastic. They might call it rubber, but it's got a little coating so that when you put the tool in there, it won't slip. And it's got these little covers for the screws. And if you don't have any backing, it's got this that goes into wallboard. I don't really like that very much. I'll show you what I'm going to do. Here's where I want to do the organizing, and I've already removed a lot of junk that was hanging there on those nails and screws and those hooks that I've already got there. And those are basically a few tools that I want to hang up. If I like the way it comes out, I might get four more. But those are the backings that I like to put those on all my walls in my garage. You just screw them into studs, and then you can hang what you want to hang anywhere you want to hang it. You don't have to find a stud and be limited to that location. And also, this is a lot stronger than those little expanding things that go in, those anchors, they call them, that go into wallboard. So let's get started. So I just put one screw in there to see how it would look. For the ease of placing the tool into the holder, you can flip it that way or that way. So this one I wanted to have it opening right there. Some of the other ones I might have the opening the other way. Okay, so here's an obvious tip. When the working end of the tools will conflict with each other, you just hang it upside down the other way. And that tool, I could slide it. It's a little squeegee thing, so that I could make them all close together. I don't have to put that much space there because I can slide the end of the tool. So I'll tell you what, I like these. I'm going to order four more of them and hang up some more stuff there. I think it looks 100% better than the way I had it all hanging on different hooks and nails and, you know, who knows what else. Now, some items like this extension for one of my vacs, it's too big around to fit in there, I think. But it does have a hole on the end there. So I can hang that up there amongst the other ones on a nail. Okay. So what do I got? I have that's just an empty stick. I'll hang that up. I'm saving it because it's a good stick. I've got a big floor broom over there, which I've got propped next to the water heater, which is kind of bubba, I guess would be the word, to stick it up like that. So that's 1, 2. I think I might have a broom, regular old broom somewhere. So that's 3. And these are poles for trimming trees, and they're too big and long, and they're just going to have to be stored in a corner like that. But I'll get 4 more and put them up there. But I want to wrap up this video. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel, if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. And by the way, I've got to put the other screws in on the bottom there. And then I've got those little covers that I showed you at the beginning, if you want to use those little covers. So, all good. I'm happy. See you later. Bye. Oh, by the way, I will put some links in the comments below on where how to order these things if you want to order some. Thanks.